Excel sheet contains a lot of cells, millions and thousands of cells, which consists of rows and columns. So a cell is formed when two, that is the columns and the row, comes to intersect. So here is a cell. So the highlighted area is a cell which is comprising of columns E and row 10. And the cell name or the cell address is named after the alphabet and the row number. So we have the name as E10, which can be found in the name box over there. Now we also have the function bar, that is also called the formula bar. Whatever formula you are using is displayed in the formula bar, and I can change my item in this cell inside the formula bar. So I can change the 7 into 8, and it's still going to appear in the cell for me. Now you may want to highlight more than one cell, so which we call the range of cells. So we just click and drag over the range of cells you want to highlight. Now to enter a data into a cell, all you have to do is to select the cell and you type in the data. So here I want to type in new data as car. I need car to do my business. So after typing the car in, you type in the quantity. So I only need one car, and the unit price is $2,500. So the total cost will still be the same thing. Now I am going to sell this car in the meantime. So how much am I going to sell it? I'm going to sell it for $3,500. So you enter it inside. So anytime you want to type the text inside the Excel, the cell must be selected. And you can also use the arrows in your keyboard to navigate through instead of using the mouse pointer. Now I have programmed this Excel sheet with formula. So when I click on this, it means the formula is to find the product of the quantity and the unit price, then it gives me this. So that is why you are seeing the formula bar. The formula is being displayed. So you know that in the Excel, the formula bar can contain the formula or the content inside the cell. Now you may also make a mistake. Example, this bottled water has been duplicated. We have bottled water in cell A9, and we also have the same thing in cell A18. So I need to clear one of them, and all you have to do is to select the entire row, and you come to the clear command in the editing group, and just click on it. Then you select clear content, and the content is going to be cleared for you. But note, the row is still there, it has not been removed. So if you want to remove the entire row, all you have to do is to click the delete in the cell group, the delete command, and it's going to remove the entire row completely for you. Now don't confuse yourself with the delete command and the clear content command. So just to do undo for the thing to come back. So I can also use the delete button on the keyboard to delete the content inside the row instead of using the clear content. You can just use the delete on your keyboard to erase it. But if I want to remove the entire row, I just click on what? The delete to go away. Now we want to look at how to copy your cell content and paste it in a different cell. So I want to copy this cell, that's soup, just highlight it and Ctrl+C is copy, or you right click on it and you select copy on your drop down menu, and you can now repaste it in a different place, in a different cell. So I come to paste it in cell 14. So right click and select what? Paste, and the new content is going to be pasted for you. And maybe I want to copy the entire row. So what I would have done is to select the entire row, and now right click or Ctrl+C and press cut or copy. Now if I'm removing cut, it's going to cut the entire row, and I'm coming to repaste it over here. Now select where you want to do the repasting. Right click and you paste. Now once you paste this, the content inside where you have cut is going to disappear. We have cut from cell A10, that's the row 10. So it's going to be deleted once you have pasted it. Correct. Now I want to remove that row completely. I don't want it to be there. To select the entire row at the go, just put your mouse cursor at the row 10, and when you have seen this dark arrow, then you click on it. It's going to select the entire row, and I can click on delete command in the cell row. It's going to remove it for me. Now the formulae I have keep inside here, these formulae are going to be running through the entire Excel sheet. Once I change any figure, it's going to be affecting the data. Now we have something also called the auto field. I may have this content over here. The auto field, use this handle. It's like a plus dark sign. You bring it to the corner here to auto fill. So if I have a lot of content there, it's going to auto fill for me, but there's nothing there, so it's going to just put 0, 0. All right, that's the auto fill symbol we talk about. Now I can also move my content. Moving the content, you have to just highlight the content you want to move, then bring your cursor to the edge of the highlighted rectangle, and you can see that the cursor has now changed into a plus sign with an arrows in it. So you click on it. Now move it to wherever you want to repaste it, and the content is moving into that place. To enlarge the cell, all you have to do is to come and place your mouse cursor at the edge there, and you have seen that we have two arrows pointing to the left and to the right. You double click, it's going to fit into your content exactly. Now I want to move this back to its original position. So all you have to do is to bring the mouse cursor to the same place, and then you drag it back to its original position. So this is how you can also do the movement of your text. So we have looked at how to cut, and we have looked at how to do the copy and how to move the text. And so this is how you learn about the Excel. So you just have to do more into it by yourself, some practicals, and you'll be more conversant with it. But don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you'll not be left out when I release any other new video. And more to the point, share to friends so that YouTube will extend my videos to a lot of audience. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to modify the cells. In the previous video, we have looked at how we can use this formula I've commanded here. So example of this, you can also do it just by watching my previous video. The link will be kept in the description below. So you just go inside and look at it for yourself. Thank you.